Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Indoor carbon monoxide is dangerous even at low levels. It binds to your blood, blocking oxygen from reaching vital organs. This can cause headaches, dizziness, and nausea fast. Long-term exposure raises the risk of heart and brain damage. Keep your home well ventilated and appliances maintained to stay safe.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.